So I decided this is going to be the next project. I still have some painting on the shed, but I'm going to work on that later. But I thought I would start on this. So here we're on the back side of the house, and you can see how high up it is. We have an overhang of about 20 inches, I think, which you would think would be enough. But also notice that green. Well, maybe you cannot see that green. There's a little green on the white soffit. And we don't have, we did the normal drip edge. That was what everybody did and pretty much still does. So two things. First of all, I want to do the extended drip edge up there. I'm not sure if my ladder will do it. I'm not sure if I can get my lift in here. But first, this is a more pressing issue. So even though we have 20 inches and the water hits about out here, it still splatters enough to hit the wood and go on the concrete, causing algae. It is on the dark side of the house, so that's not surprising. The problem is it hits the pine siding and it's rotting the bottom board. Now I need to do something now, because if it keeps going higher, pretty soon mice and other animals can get in there. And I don't think they are yet, but I don't want that to happen. So what I'm going to do is start ripping off that bottom board, see what we have, and then I need to decide, am I going all the way across? I know the bottom board is going to be hemlock in the future. The question is, how close to the concrete do I go? And then when we put our 2-foot aluminum splash guard on here, how close to the concrete do we go? Do we go over the concrete so anything coming down goes right off and it doesn't even hit the concrete? Will there be a void in there? So these are the questions I'm not sure about. But first we need to tear the board off. We need to remove these corners. I'm quite sure because, well, that's the board. The board goes underneath it, so I do need to remove the corner molding. And eventually this will all be changed or added to. Probably added to will be a better way to go here, and re-nailed. But I'm not positive on that yet either. Okay, so I need to rip this board off, see what we have. And you can see it's very damaged on a close view. And most likely it's rotted even more than that, and we don't see it. So let's get at it. We have some rot down there on the corner too, so that needs to come off. Okay, let's get going.